Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to create QR code for Google Chrome in 2025. And it will be a complete beginner friendly video, and I break down whole video in a process. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So here you can see we already have couple of prompts. Let's click one of them. This is the t-shirt sign up, so let's click this one, and here eventually you can see that entire form is created. So I don't want to create any of them, that's why I choose this one. I'll just click to the publish. Once I click over here, you can see here I just need to change it like here. If I click to the manage, now I can change the thing. Just click to the done, and then I will click to the publish. Once I click to the publish, then I will copy the link here. Let's shorten this one, and I will come back to Canva. So I just need to open a window, and let's search for Canva here, canva.com. So here you can see our Canva has been come over here. So I will click to the apps, and then I will find out AI generation. Let's go to any of them. Let's click to the home and go to this one, and here I will remove this post. Just click to the add page, and here I will click to the apps, and I will search the Canva app from that place. Let's search for QR code generator. Here you can see this one, and here you will get couple of options. Let's click this one, QR code, and here you can see they are giving us the option that is add a URL, and you will create QR code for your ad to your design. People can scan the QR code to reach the URL. Let's paste the here and click to the generate code, and here you can see our code has been generated. And it is so much easy to create an QR code by using or to use Google Form. Let's click to the share. Let's try to download it. Just click to the download, and I'm going to check this is the QR code really okay or not. So let's go QR code extractor, and let's go to this one, QR code scanner and decode. And here I am going to upload the image. Just click to the upload image, and here I'm going to paste it here, and here you can see the form is working. So I'm going to click open link, and eventually you can see that our form is perfectly working. As you can see here that the form is this, and whenever someone scan the QR code, they will redirect to this page, and they are able to fulfill all these requirements here. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was really helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.